Introducing Arduino, a game system the size of a credit card. It's pre-installed with your favorite classic game and has an online library of over 20 more that you can download for free. The Arduino is an interactive entertainment device that fits in your wallet. In addition to playing games, there are many other applications. A digital business card with your resume or QR code, an old-school 8-bit synthesizer. It can even pretend to be a keyboard and mouse so it can control anything that has a USB port. Arduino is also an education platform for anybody to learn how to program. Because Arduino is open and based on Arduino, there's already a vibrant community of hundreds of thousands of developers who will feel right at home. With a brilliant OLED screen, 6 tactile buttons, a 2-channel piezo speaker, and even a blinky LED, everything that you need to learn to develop hardware is at your fingertips.
MakeBlock Starter Robot Kit is a great choice for those who are interested in learning robotics, electronics, Arduino, and Scratch programs. This kit contains about 40 different mechanical parts, electronic modules, and accessories, including 2 pieces of DC motor, 1 piece of Orion based on Arduino Uno, 1 piece of ultrasonic sensor, 1 piece of IR receiver, 1 piece of remote controller, and some other beams and tools. With the detailed instruction, you can easily build a cool robot tank or 3-wheel robot car, bringing you to the ultra-awesome robot world. Aluminum extrusion structure. All of the metal mechanical parts are made of strong aluminum metals. With the anodized blue aluminum extrusion structure, your robot will be cool and yet artistic. The unique designed threaded slot and hole enable easy and flexible connection for all mechanical parts. Easy wiring, no soldering required. The main board of the starter kit Orion is an easy-to-use board based on Arduino Uno with improvements for education. It provides 8 RJ25 ports, which can be used to connect to all the other ME series modules while saving you from the confusing pin wiring. Now you can stay focused on your amazing project. The ME series electronic modules are easy to connect to other parts, especially friendly for the beginners. Each one of the modules comes with a color tag and several hole sides. With this design, all you have to do is match the color of the module and that of the Orion board. Match the hole site with the beam. Then you can build an IR-controlled robot or an ultrasonic obstacle avoiding robot in about 2 hours, regardless of the fact that you may be just a beginner. The built robot can be powered by many different programming software, such as Arduino, Scratch, and AdUblock.
This is UARM Swift, a small yet powerful robotic arm with built-in Bluetooth. And this is UARM Swift Pro, a premium and powerful robot arm equipped with stepper motors and encoders. UARM Swift Pro is designed for delicate ideas that need high accuracy to make it happen. Now it is precise enough to do laser engraving of complex images, to work on your artistic inspirations, or to play games intelligently. Both UARM Swift and UARM Swift Pro are completely open-sourced and easy to extend. For example, make a fan that follows your face in summer. With the improved end effector, they are super easy to attach different kinds of sensors, actuators. Benefit from the integrated Grove port. UARM Swift series supports seed Grove kits and OpenMV camera modules to make creation projects easier than ever. UARM Studio is a simple all-in-one software for everyone to control and program their UARM. It integrates a graphical programming interface based on Blockly, gesture control based on Leap Motion, and more. It's the best software tool for beginners to explore the power of robotic arms. UARM Swift series is still up to work without being tethered to a computer. Press the button to teach it. Press again and it will repeat the task once or forever. Then take a rest. The UARM Play mobile app makes remote control as simple as possible. It connects to UARM automatically. Simply enjoy playing and have fun. What's more, experienced programmers can explore more powerful vision features in UCS, UARM Creator Studio. Applying computer vision and logic to your robotic project has never been this easy.
Obot is a robot head that is constructed and programmed by children. It has 7 motors to provide a range of realistic movements.
Hello, humans.
Obot is provided as a kit and comes with full instructions so that it can be built by children aged 7 and older. Once the kit is completed, Obot is connected to a Windows PC running Obot software so that it can be programmed. Obot uses a block programming environment based on the Scratch language which was developed at MIT. This allows children to generate programs quickly and encourages them to experiment and use their imagination. Obot includes text-to-speech technology so that children can program it to say whatever they like. Obot also includes face recognition so that it can be programmed to react when it sees a child and follow their movement. Obot uses a microcontroller board which allows for additional sensors to be used.
Starting a business nowadays is easy. Everyone has great ideas, but sometimes it takes a lot of repetitive work to realize them. This is where DoBot M1 gets in. DoBot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. DoBot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. With these standardized, easy-to-change heads, you can easily turn this power into productivity. Like 3D printing, it can print your product with fluency and details. 2 colors? No problem. Or use laser to engrave your unfading masterpiece. Or do sophisticated soldering, customizing your PCB circuit board better than a pro. Besides being multifunctional, DoBot M1 is also easy to master and develop. DoBot M1 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. You can connect to multiple arms at once and control them via our app on PC or smartphone. With a force-sensitive 3D mouse, you can control DoBot M1 as precisely as you want. No more trying and guessing on a confusing software. With its handhold teaching feature, you can input coordinates in the fastest and most intuitive way.
Robots are awesome. Something about the way they look, the way they're built with all their motors and sensors and moving parts. Robots are products of ingenuity and imagination that speaks to us no matter how old we are. We at RoboLink are a group of designers, developers, and engineers who love robots. And we've been building a lot of robots in our time. But we realized that what's even more fun than playing with these robots is also building them yourself. At RoboLink, we see an opportunity to build and share something that lets anyone build their own robot. We at RoboLink are passionate about sharing and teaching kids about the joys of building robots of their own. We were blown away at how quickly students learn to build and program their own robots using our kits. RoKit Smart is also a fun way to introduce kids to Arduino coding.
At EngiMake, we believe that everyone should have the opportunity to become a maker, so that's why we've created the Maker Kit, which will give you the chance to build your very own robot. Meet Quadbot.
While studying engineering, we found there to be loads of theory, but very little hands-on making, so we founded a society for robotics. From there, we developed a community and set out the blueprints that offered people the chance to build actual robots. And since then, we've spent a lot of time around makerspaces where we have run dedicated workshops in order to share this knowledge with others. All of this experience has been distilled into the Maker Kit.
At the core of any robot lies its heart, in this case the Quadboard, an Arduino-based platform that makes robotics easy. Plug-in headers allow interfacing with any sensor or motor, whilst onboard power management handles charging and voltage regulation. In this kit you'll get a quadboard, several motors and all the other materials that you just can't print.
Using the resources supplied with the Maker Kit, along with free online software like Arduino and Fusion 360, you can go from beginner to intermediate and finally, expert.
You can learn how to 3D design and print new parts, how to use electronics to increase functionality, how to apply math to something real, and how to code, from having no experience to developing yourself into a real deal coder.
What started as an idea soon became a sketch, first coming to life through laser cutting before being further refined with 3D printing. Quadbot has seen his fair share of iterations before getting to where he is now.
And guess what? We've enabled his design to be entirely open for you to change.
Controlling the robot couldn't be simpler, making the robot go forward, backward, and rotate around itself. We can also acquire real-time data from the mobile robot's microcontroller. So here is a list of all the analog pin data, and we can also control the digital pins by switching them on and off.